Hey guys, we're here at the big Morongo Preserve. Just a short little hike. Here's Susan.
Hi.
Okay, we're gonna start off at the Marsh Trail. Goes this way. This trail is basically a boardwalk. It's a nice little trail. I think it's about a mile long. Hey guys, it's Mike and Susan. We're here to do our 5 things you don't know about us. We were called out by Robert from 5 More Minutes. Our first one would be, we were both mountain bike racers in the 90s. Used to race downhill. Susan is the series champion for her class. For, I forget what year it is, like 94?
Yeah, I think it was 94.
94, 95, which is really cool. Our second one is that our first backpacking trip was in 1985. Did Kings Canyon. It was a 10-mile hike, and it was well past our skill level for that time. The gear, well, for being back in the 80s, was probably 70s or 60s.
Yeah.
Error gear.
We packed a 4-man tent.
It was huge. It was heavy. But it was good. It was a fun time. We have pictures. We'll if we find some pictures, we'll post them.
It rained the whole time we were there.
It did rain the whole entire time we were there. On the hike up was all clear and sunny. The whole week we were up there was raining. The hike back down was all sunny and cheerful. It was nice. Our third one is that we've been together since 1984. So that's what, 35 years?
Yeah.
Yeah. Been a long time. Now we're gonna do some single ones. My single one is that I used to be shy. I used to could never talk to anybody. I'd just sit over in the far corner and not talk. But since doing YouTube, it's helped me come out of my shell a little bit, and it's pretty cool.
And mine is, you guys have probably noticed on a lot of our videos that either the harder stuff, I'm not there, or we've cut our hike short, and that's because I have a medical issue. 20 years ago, we had an El Nino rain when we lived in Gardena, and because of the Northridge earthquake a few years prior, the foundation on our apartment cracked and we didn't know it, and mold came in with the El Nino rains, and I got black mold poisoning. And for a long time, I only had like 15% of my lungs working. And it's taken all this time for me to be able to even become active. My first hike after having the mold poisoning and after stopping mountain biking was in Thanksgiving 2011. And that was to Barker Dam, and that was a really, really hard hike for me. So I'm steadily improving, but I'm not where I want to be. But I just wanted you guys to know that there is actually a good reason why sometimes our videos are just like, okay, we didn't make it to where we wanted to go, but we'll try this again. A lot of it is because of my health. Now, there's been some times where time has actually been an issue, but most of it is because my lungs have crapped out. So hopefully, as we do more hiking, hopefully my ability will improve and you guys will get to see us go farther and farther.
Okay, we're gonna shout out our three channels that we're gonna call out. Is let's see, we're gonna do Matt, Southwest Backpacker. Matt, we're calling you out. Marty and crew, Family Adventures. We're calling you out, Marty, and the crew. Anybody in the crew can do it. And we're calling out, this is a guy who's in England. His name's Alan METALMAN. We're calling you out, Alan. Alright, that's about it. We're going to finish our little hike.